I have no concerns about the surgery itself. I trust Ben entirely, and I don't do things like this lightly, so it's a big deal.
What originally led you to consider facial rejuvenation?
I saw Ben about 5 years ago, and I was feeling tired, and I felt like my face was kind of just losing its kind of sharpness, and I was really comforted that Ben actually said, no, 5 years ago, we're going to go for the profound. That's what you need right now. Maybe come back and see me in 5 or 6 years time. So here I am 6 years later, and I just want to feel refreshed. And I've seen Ben's work, I follow him, I'm a huge fan. And so I decided to take the plunge. So the things that I was really concerned about was the heaviness around here, around my jowls. I've seen people have filler and things like that, and it just get really heavy. So I wanted to lose this, but in a really natural way, but also just kind of lifting my eyes, making my eyes brighter. I have a very stressful work life, so I just felt I was feeling tired and looking tired all the time. So I wanted to focus on those areas. I run a business in London and LA. So traveling, flying constantly and working 7 days a week. So always got to look fresh. I've always understood and followed a number of doctors to see what's the new thing out. It was just the right time. I mean, I think Ben's technique is very natural. I love the fact that he rejected me 5 years ago. And I just believe that he has the right approach. And I love the fact that he's always advancing these techniques and growing. He's one of the best out there. I think my reaction to the technique, to the AuraLyft, was really how natural, and I mean, wow. I mean, if you see the before and afters, I mean, there's no denying the work. But I love the fact nobody looks pulled, nobody looks pinched. Everybody just looks a fresher, younger version of themselves. You know, I'm not trying to turn back time, but I put a lot of energy into my body and the gym, and I want to do the same for my face. I found Ben through a mutual friend, actually. It's somebody that I really trust and somebody that's really got their finger on the pulse, so they know who's, the movers and shakers in many different industries. And so they introduced me to Ben, and that's when I had the Profound. And then I've just been a massive fan ever since. And I love the fact that he's also out there teaching people new techniques and approaches, but also with his humanitarian work, and just a big fan. And when I met him, I was like, he's just great. He makes you feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and yeah, I'm a fangirl.
So do you have any fears about going into today, or hesitations?
I think today I've been very mindful of the process, and I guess I've been a bit nervous about the recovery and just, downtime, but I've been assured, and I've listened to everyone else's stories and they all say you're golden. So I'm feeling calm and centered. Normally I'm kind of going at 1,000,000 miles an hour, so I'm totally down for the rest time and actually really need it. So secretly looking forward to it. But the recovery is incredible. I mean, I've been watching everybody else's testimonials and the recovery seems fairly quick. So I'm excited for that. I have talked to a member of the team actually that had the AuraLyft, and she had it in its very early conception. And she still now says it's the best thing she's ever done, and that she really felt that she's able to age more gracefully. She says she's had it done a long time ago, and she looks amazing. After meeting Ben and seeing Profound, I feel like I'm really connected in the know, so I feel completely comfortable. So I'm here morning of the surgery. I think what's going in my head is I'm really excited for the results, but also just very mindful. I think going into this, I need to be really positive. I think a positive attitude is really helpful in the healing process and trying to be calm. I have complete faith in Ben. I'm just excited to get this going. I mean, I'm ready. It's all yours.
Sweet. Yeah, I think that was great.
Cool.